Hi, this is Patrick from Anderson Design and Fabrication, and today we'll be going over the installation process of our all-new 2018 to 2023 Subaru Crosstrek rear MOLLE rack and MOLLE shelf system. There is no modification required in the installation of this product, so you can be easily reverted back to stock. This product takes roughly 15 to 20 minutes to install, and then you can be out and on your adventure.
Alright, to begin the process, you need a Phillips screwdriver. You'll be removing this screw, and this screw down here. Now you will need to remove this little plastic clip. Now with the provided bracket and the new provided hardware, you can install the main mounting in place. Now take your 3/8 rope tapping screw and install it on the rearmost portion of the mounting bracket. Next thing you want to do is take the provided bracket along with the hardware and screw it into the lower hole down here. Now using a 10mm ratchet over mid factory tied on ones. Now we can begin the installation of the MOLLE rack. Two button hits. Now we can begin to install the spacer with the new provided button head. Okay, the final bolt install will be flange nut provided and a small button head. It'll be tying into this lower point down here. Once that last one is in, now you can finish up by tightening all the bolts down. Now you're all done with one side, now you can start the same process on the other side. Alright, now we can begin to install the MOLLE tray. Provided T-bolts. All right, with the T-bolts fully tightened down, MOLLE rack and shelf installation is complete.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at awdadventure.com.